2024, we have to be productive. Me, I like good things, so and I am somehow shopaholic. Money 2024, we have to be productive, because me, I like good things, so and I'm responsible for my own finance. You understand? And I am somehow shopaholic. You understand? The word don't want to come out. But I like good things and I like to buy good things. So I gotta be productive to make this money to buy good things. You understand? To live the life. But anyway, Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do Zalando shoe unboxing. If you guys watched that video I posted when I said how to get the Christmas gift, your girl wasn't playing. I got almost all the stuff that I had in 2023 in my Zalando wish list. I ended up purchasing everything as a gift for myself for 2024 during the December and the December Christmas holiday and everything. So that was quite a lot of spend. Zalando really finished my bank card this last year, 2023 December. But anyway, I'm very happy with the things I got. I'm also trying to grow up, trying to build myself up, try to transform, be a better person, be comfortable with the things I like, and just try a different style and a different things. So I have been wanting to get some loafers for a very long time. I have been watching a lot of videos on TikTok, on YouTube, on loafers. I really, really love loafers. I used to had them back then when I was like, 19 I had 2 pair of loafers and I really loved them. And I don't know when those 2 get spoiled, or I don't know whether I throw it away, because I'm also good at throwing things away when I feel like I don't need it anymore. And so I didn't end up buying any loafers anymore. I used to just buy ballerina and just normal heels. But as your girl is getting older, I'm getting older, okay? And I'm very, very grateful. I'm very, very proud and grateful to say I'm getting older, because that's just more opportunity to see a brand new day. I'm discovering my style and I know what I like, and I just want to stick with what I like and try different things and try to, what I like, and try to implement things that I like into my wardrobe. I'm trying to change my wardrobe little by little, but at a slow time. So I pick up some loafers from Zalando. I pick up 3 loafers. I pick 1 black, 1 white, 1 brown, just like the 3 basic colors I feel like you will need. So let's do unboxing. I have 3 different, don't want to show my address. Okay, I have 3 different boxes from Zalando. Let's first start with the white one. I'm also going to do a video show you guys how it looks like on me. Okay, let's first start with this white one. And this is the brand that I picked this one up for. I think I also have a shoe that I pick up from this brand. It's like a white shoe, really nice white wedding shoes. It's not for a wedding, but it's like a really nice white wedding shoe. Since I purchased that shoe, I've never really wear that shoe. Like one day I have to do a video, like show you guys how many shoes that I have picked up that I've never actually wear. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I'm the kind of person, when I see something and I know I'm going to wear it, maybe not today, not tomorrow, next tomorrow, I just want to have it. And then anytime I want to use it, I already have it. That's how my brain works. I don't know why my brain, if I'm the only one, but that's how my brain works. So I have something like this from the same brand, but I never really use it. But they're really, really good quality shoes. They have some really, really nice quality stuff, which I really, really like. Even though I've never really put on the shoe, but it's a nice one. So I don't need these ones. These duct papers, I don't need them. So this is what these loafers look like, and it's very comfortable. In the inside, it's very comfortable. I've already tested it, of course, because I want to test it before ever because you have certain dates for you to return it. Because I purchased so many stuff, I'm not going to open everything and start wearing everything. So definitely I have to test it and see how it looks, walk around the house, and then to know that, okay, I'm keeping it, or do I have to return it? Because I also purchased a really nice blazer, like it's a set, the top, the blazer and the skirt. But the blazer, they didn't have the medium size anymore, and I already purchased the skirt and the top. I didn't want to lose out on the blazer, so I end up picking up the bigger size. I said in case they have the medium, they'll always notify me when they get the medium size. So I end up picking up the larger size, and I didn't really like it, but I just didn't want to lose out. So later on, I end up receiving an email like, oh, we have the medium. So I end up buying up the medium and return the large one. So that's how sometimes I work with things on Zalando's. But this is really, really nice. I've already tested all of this, not all of it, but like these loafers, I've already tested them to see if they fit. So I know I'm keeping it or I have to return it. So this is what it looks like. It's really, really nice. One thing I love about loafers, you can wear loafers in every season of the year. It all depends on how you style it. You can wear loafers with dress, with skirts, with jeans. All depends on the way you style things. And I really, really love this. So the loafers that I picked up, these are size 41. I always get shoes size 40, 41. Those are the things. Now I'm gaining weight. My leg is getting a little bit chubbier. So definitely size 41 is perfect. So this is the white one. This is really, really beautiful. So let me put this one aside. It's really, really nice. I really, really love this. Really beautiful. So let's put this one aside because I'm going to show you how they look on me. But first I just want to open all of the shoes so you guys can see what they look like. So this is the next. It's from this brand on Zalando. Zalando is an online store that has different brand that sell products on Zalando, high-end, affordable brand, like really, really nice. And that's what I love. I'm an online shopper, so for me Zalando is perfect. Just sit down in my house on my phone, shop, or put things to my wish list, and whenever my wallet is walleting, I'll end up buying it, you know. So this is what this one look like. I love the fact that the shoes are well packaged. When I said package, they are well packaged. Like how they wrap this shoe like a piece of cake. But it's so, when I tell you, this is so beautiful. This is cool. This is so nice. I love it. I have another one on my wish list. It's also brown, but it's not sweet. This is like sweet brown, but that one is more like a just like something like this brown, you know. And I had it on my wish list, but I didn't feel like it was that necessary to get both of them at the same time. But I'll definitely get it. I'll definitely get that one too. But for now, let me first wear this one and see if I like if I can style it, if I like it. Definitely I know I'm liking it, but let me first wear them before ever I'll end up buying that one. But this is what this one looks like, and this one is so beautiful. Oh, the way they wrap these things, man, it feels like it's a food. And I know these are quite on the pricey side. Not okay for some people it might be too pricey, but for some people it may be like, it's nothing, it's not that expensive. So I don't remember how much I get it, but I will look on my Zalando app and I'll put the price for individual for you here on the screen. And I love this one. This one is so beautiful, and I love the gold details, and I love the fact that it's just simple. It doesn't have any label. There's no name, there's no label on it, and I love this really nice simple gold details. It's really, really beautiful, and I really loved it. So this is number 2. Put it in the box like this. This is what number 2 look like. It's so beautiful. I really loved it. So let's go to number 3. So number 3 is from a brand that I already have multiple shoes from this brand. This is the L35. It's a really nice brand. Their shoes are so amazing, comfortable, quality wise, very comfortable walking in. They're very like the quality is really nice. It's very easy to clean. Maintaining system is very easy to maintain their shoes. I really love this brand. I have multiple shoes from this brand. I really loved it. So when I saw this loafers from them, and I was like, oh, I need to keep this loafers because this is a brand that I really love. So yeah, why not? So I pick up this black loafers, and I love the fact that this one is also black, that they didn't put their logos on it. That's one thing I love about this brand. When they make their shoes, they don't put their logos all around. Of course, they do have some of their shoes that they put their logos. They also had another loafers, this something like this, and they have their logos on it, but not all of their shoes. And that's one thing I love about it, and I really love it. It's really nice. I've already tested these shoes on, and they are quite comfortable. So I have 3 pairs. I have the black, the white, and the brown. So I feel like this is a really good start for the year 2024. You can wear this in the summer, in the winter, through any season, all of the seasons in the year. Just like right now in Holland, I don't know whether we are in winter or we are in raining season. It's like I really do not know what season are we in Holland right now. Are we in winter or in raining season? Because the snow never really fall. The snow barely fall, and it's just raining. So I feel like we are in the winter, in the rainy winter season. That's what we are in right now, because the weather is crazy. But anyway, I love this. So yeah, these are the shoes. They're beautiful. So this is number 1, number 3, and I really loved it. So now I'm going to quickly show you. I'm going to put this on for you guys to see how it looks like on my feet, and just the comfortability. I just love it. These are really beautiful. Let me get the brown one as well. These are really beautiful. They are really nice. I really love them. Like, yeah, I'll put the price for you guys on the screen, okay? But yeah, this is it. These are my 3 loafers. They're really beautiful. So now let me get the camera down to the floor, moisturize my legs a little bit because my legs have been inside a very thick socks. So I know right now they're looking somehow. So let me just moisturize my leg, and I'm going to put it on and show you guys how it looks on my leg, okay? Don't want to embarrass myself. So now let me show you. First, we're going to try with this brown one. Let me show you what it looks like. And it's very comfortable, actually. Definitely when I'm going to wear it, I'm going to wear it with those tiny socks. But for now, for the sake of this video, because I'm going to put it back in the box, when I first tested it, I had some socks on because I wanted to see how it will look like with the socks. So this is what they look like. They're really beautiful. I really love it, and I love the fact that I also have a little bit of heel, not too much, just a little bit. And yeah, it's really nice. So this is what they look like. They feel really comfortable, and it's very flexible. That's one thing I love about it as well. It's really cute. It's a really beautiful, really nice loafers. I love it. The reason why I get size 41 is so that it can be a little bit flexible for me, because sometimes, you know, you're growing older, you get a little bit fatter, gain some weight, and sometimes your feet also grows, not too much, but it does grow. So I always like to get size 41 when it comes to shoes. So this is it. This is the brown one. Let's take this off. Let's put this one here, put this one away. And now let's try the white one. This white, I think the white and the black are my favorite. And if I have to choose all of this, I'll choose for the black, because the black is you know, black is always my favorite. Black is my favorite color when it comes to outfits. My favorite color actually is green, this type of green. It's like olive green is my favorite color. But when it comes to outfits, shoes, I prefer black. So this is what these white loafers look like. Also very, very comfortable. Really like it. And it's also like kind of going to be very easy to clean. I'm this type of person. When I wear a shoe, when I'm done, when I'm back, I clean it and I put it back in the box and I put it underneath my bed. So that's how I take care of my shoes. Very, very nice. So they last for quite a long time. So yeah. And I don't wear the same shoe every time. I try to change my shoes, so at least. So this is what this one look like. Really like it. So now let's take this one off. Excuse my toenails. I have to go to the lady to do my toenails. We didn't have enough time this time when I went to do my nails, so I was like, you know what, just do my eyebrow and do my nails, and the toes I'll come back another time. So this one was a little bit tricky, I think, because it's new. Yeah, but when you put your feet inside, it's very comfortable. This brand, their shoes are always like somehow a bit tighter in the beginning when you first purchase it, but as time goes, it feels a little bit looser. I love this black one. This is so beautiful. This is so nice. This is it, guys. So this is it. Hope you all like this video. If you do, let me know in the comment box. Yeah, I love it, and definitely I'm going to come back and show you whenever I style them. I'm going to show you guys how I styled my loafers, but for now, this is it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Team Fullest, peace out.